China says the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project is an open initiative based on the principle of joint consolidation, shared contribution, and shared benefits. An Iranian container ship has been damaged in an attack in the Mediterranean. The Arab coalition fighting in Yemen has destroyed a Houthi air defense system in the Marib region. In Afghanistan, 8 people were killed and 53 injured in a powerful car bomb blast in Herat province. Rahul Gandhi said India becoming increasingly chained by authoritarian forces. The UN Security Council calls for equal participation of women in the Afghan peace process. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has approved the establishment of the Civil Drone Authority. Jordan hospital record death among COVID-19 patients due to lack of oxygen.